In this module, we're discussing the lifeblood of our food supply, the stuff that keeps our crops growing and our tables full. Today we're ditching the fancy jargon and getting down to the nitty-gritty. We're going to walk you through a step-by-step process in what goes into a water management plan. We're talking about squeezing every drop of potential out of every precious gallon. Because in a world with a growing population and increasingly unpredictable weather, every drop counts. Let's get our hands dirty. Water management isn't just about turning on a hose and hoping for the best. It's a science and an art requiring careful planning and execution. From using advanced technology like drones to survey fields, all the way to implementing drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the roots, there are countless ways to optimize water use. Farmers today are also leveraging weather forecasts and soil moisture sensors to make informed decisions about when and how much to water their crops. Community involvement is another crucial aspect. Farmers often come together to share knowledge and resources, ensuring that everyone benefits from the latest advancements in water management. The ultimate goal is to create a sustainable future for all of us. We need to make a farming ecosystem that not only supports the farmers, but also provides fresh, healthy food for communities. Educational programs are also playing a vital role alongside 4-H and FFA, teaching the next generation about the importance of water management and sustainable farming practices. So as we dive deeper into this topic, remember that every drop of water saved is a step towards a brighter, more sustainable future for us all. Let's embrace these innovative practices and work together to make smarter farming a reality. Just like any good coach will tell you, you can't expect to win without knowing what you're aiming for. So step one is all about setting clear, measurable goals for water conservation on your farm. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just hop in your tractor and start plowing without knowing what crop you're planting, right? Same goes for water. Are you aiming to reduce overall water consumption by a certain percentage? Maybe you're looking to improve irrigation efficiency or minimize runoff. Whatever your goals, write them down. Make them specific and make sure they align with the bigger picture of your operation. And don't forget about policies. Are there any local regulations or incentives related to water use in your area? Factor those in too. This is about working smarter, not harder. It's not just about the numbers. It's about understanding the impact of your bottom line. Water dispensers of any kind on your property should regularly be inspected. Every drop counts and every leak is money down the drain. Tools that can tell you exactly how much water each field is guzzling down, these tools can provide real-time data, helping you make informed decisions on the fly. And here's the thing, knowing how much water you're using is only half the battle. The other half is understanding the financial implications. You also need to know how much it's costing you. Water isn't free, folks, and the cost of water can vary greatly depending on your location and the methods you use for irrigation. Factor in the cost of pumping, treating, and delivering that precious H2O to your crops. These costs can add up quickly, and they can have a significant impact on your overall profitability. You might be surprised at what you find. Sometimes the numbers can be a real eye-opener, revealing inefficiencies and opportunities for savings that you never knew existed. So take the time to dig into your water usage and costs. It could make a big difference in your farming operation. Now it's time to channel your inner accountant and create a water budget. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy degree or a pocket protector for this. We're just talking about a simple way to track all of the water coming into and going out of your farm. Think of it like a checking account for your water. On one side, you've got your deposits, rainfall, irrigation, any other sources of water you might have. On the other side, you've got your withdrawals, evaporation, transpiration, from your crops, runoff, and any other ways water might be leaving your fields. The goal here is to make sure your deposits are at least equal to your withdrawals, or even better, that you've got a little surplus in there. This is all about understanding the big picture of your water use and identifying any potential areas that might be overspending. Now that we've got a handle on where our water is going, it's time to talk about saving some of that precious liquid gold. And trust me, there are more ways to do it than you think. We're talking about embracing technology like it's your long-lost friend. First up, precision irrigation systems that deliver water efficiently to your crops. Drip irrigation, micro sprinklers, and even soil moisture sensors will tell you exactly when your plants are thirsty. And it's not just about the technology. Simple changes to your farming practices can make a big difference too. Things like no-till farming, which helps retain moisture in the soil, and cover cropping, which acts like a natural mulch, reducing evaporation. Alright, we've talked about goals, we've addressed our water use, and we've identified some opportunities for improvement. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and create an action plan. This is where the rubber meets the road, taking all that knowledge and turning it into a concrete plan of attack. Start by prioritizing the changes you want to make. Maybe you want to start with the low-hanging fruit, those simple, cost-effective changes that you can make right away. Or maybe you're ready to go all in on some new technology. Either way, lay it all out in a clear step-by-step plan. And don't forget about the details. Who's going to be responsible for each task? What's the timeline for implementation? And how much is it all going to cost? The more detailed the plan, the better equipped you'll be to overcome any challenges that come your way. Well, we've made it to the final step. This is where all your hard work starts to pay off, but it's also where you need to stay vigilant. We've set our goals, assessed our water use, identified opportunities for improvement, created an implementation plan, and now it's time to put that plan into action. This is the moment where theory meets practice, and we get to see the fruits of our labor. But the work isn't done yet. In fact, this is just the beginning of a continuous process. Just like any good farmer knows, you can't just plant your seeds and walk away. You have to be there every step of the way, nurturing and caring for your crops. You've got to nurture those crops, keep an eye on the weather, and make adjustments along the way. The same principles apply to water management. It's not a set it and forget it kind of deal. You need to be proactive and responsive. Once you've implemented your plan, it's crucial to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. This is where technology can be a real game changer. Remember those fancy sensors and data analysis tools we talked about earlier? They're your best friends in this. Where they can really shine. Use them to track your water use, identify any areas where you're not meeting your goals, and make tweaks to your plan accordingly. They provide real-time data that can help you make informed decisions. Use them to track your water use, identify any areas where you're not meeting your goals, and make tweaks to your plan accordingly. Maybe you need to adjust your irrigation schedule, or maybe you discovered a leak you weren't aware of. These tools can help you pinpoint issues before they become major problems. Whatever it is, don't be afraid to adapt and evolve. Flexibility and responsiveness are key to successful water management. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and keep growing. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the message is simple. Water is a precious resource, and it's up to all of us to use it wisely. By following these steps, farmers and ranchers of all ages will be able to make a difference in their operations. Water managers can create a roadmap for their future. A map for sustainable water use in agriculture ensures that we can continue to grow the food we need without depleting our most vital resource. Implementing these strategies not only helps with the bottom line, but also contributes to a more water-secure future for generations to come. It's about being good stewards of the land, respecting the delicate balance of nature, and working together to create a more sustainable future.